Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm excited to share with you a mouth-watering recipe for a bacon and Cashel blue cheese burger from Ireland. This burger combines the rich smoky flavour of bacon with the tangy crumbly texture of Cashel blue cheese, all on top of a juicy beef burger. Not only is this burger delicious, but it also showcases the unique flavours and ingredients of Ireland. So grab your aprons and let's get cooking. Now into a bowl I have 250 grams of 85/15 beef mince, and to this I'm going to add half a finely diced onion, 35 grams of breadcrumbs, 1 small egg. I'm going to mix that well, and then I'm going to divide it into two, pop it onto a baking tray and into the fridge for about 30 minutes just to firm up. Now I'm going to take a dry frying pan and I'm going to toast 2 whole wheat burger buns. Now folks, if you're enjoying my videos, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and watch to the end for further videos. Now we're going to remove the buns from the pan, and next to that then we're going to add the burger meat. Now we'll just press it down firmly to get a good contact with the pan. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes on each side, again pressing down to ensure the burger sears on the outside. Now we're going to slide the burgers to the side and we're going to add 2 maple style bacon medallions, and we'll cook those on both sides. Now add the other half of the onion, which we've sliced up, and cook it for about 2 minutes. Then remove the bacon and continue to cook the onions. Now we'll remove the onions and place them on the same plate as the bacon. Now move our burgers back into the middle. We're going to place the bacon on top of the meat, and then we're going to add the cooked onions and top that with as much Cashel blue cheese as you like. I'll place the lid on the pan and I'm going to let that cook for about 4 minutes just to melt the cheese. And now it's time to serve. I've served mine with turnip fries and some crispy smoked onions on top. Now folks, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my further videos.